Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by opening Pixlr and loading two files, the base photo and the face you want to swap in. Once the images are in, convert the face image to its own layer so you can move and transform it independently. Use the Move and Free Transform tools to roughly position the replacement face. This step matters because correct scale and angle prevent unnatural results. Also check opacity at 50% while aligning, so you can visually match eyes and jawlines before committing to edits. Once the face sits roughly where you want it, make a precise selection with the lasso or elliptical select and apply a mask so you can non-destructively erase edges. Feather the selection slightly, typically 5 to 15 pixels, so transitions look soft. Next, use a soft brush on the mask to paint away hard borders and add adjustment layers like hue/saturation and levels to match skin tone and contrast. Make small changes, then toggle visibility to compare. Subtle matching is what keeps the result. Finish by cleaning seams with the clone stamp and heel tools. These remove tiny mismatches along the jaw and hairline. Once cleaned, apply a very slight sharpen or Gaussian blur to match the detail level between layers, and always inspect at 100% to catch artifacts. When satisfied, flatten and export as PNG or JPEG. If something looks off after export, don't panic. Undo the mask, readjust color balance, or refeather the selection, and re-export. Iterative tweaks solve most problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.